It's that time again, ladies and gents. Today is the second day in a row that I'm bringing you an unboxing of Samsung's newest folding phones. Yesterday we took a look at the Fold 3. Today is the Flip 3. So, again, let's get started. Let's cut into the box. And again, we're greeted with my packing list. Galaxy Z Flip3 5G leather cover black, wireless charger trio white, 25 watt super fast wall charger white, and Galaxy Z Flip3 5G 128 unlocked. Alrighty, so again, we get the same wicker basket type deal that we got yesterday. Jesus Christ, I think we got more of it today than we did yesterday. So we're gonna do the same deal we did yesterday. We're gonna start with the boring stuff first and then work our way up to the phone. We have the 25 watt super fast wall charger that Samsung graciously did not include in the box this year. Make that seem like I'm angry about it. I don't care. I wirelessly charge everything. I don't care. But I know a lot of people are upset about it, so if you do buy it extra, this is what you're gonna be getting. It's just this little tiny brick. Got one up here and then one came with this. So this is my third one in the past 2 days. I guess we'll do the leather cover next since that is slightly less entertaining than the last one was, because the last one came with an S Pen. Okay, so it's two separate halves that has a sticky on. Does it stick to the phone? I'm not sure I like that, if it like actually sticks to the phone, but those are your two parts. There's obviously the top and the bottom. The top has the cutout for the flash, the two cameras, and then your window for the display. Ooh. Next up is the wireless charger trio. And again, this and the brick come in black and white. I got white because it matches my aesthetic. What I have going on at my little desk over there comes with its own brick right here. And then under your quick start guide, you get a little USB-C to USB-C cable. And this is the charger itself. I also have another one over here from yesterday. So now I have two of these. I'm not entirely sure I need to, but I guess I have them now. And now for the fun part. Galaxy Z Flip3 5G. Ooh. Oh wow, it's very easy to tell what color I got. Thanks for telling me I didn't have my lights on, guys. You're the best. And it's just how excited I am to get into these things and see what they're all about. No charge brick in the box. You get your SIM eject tool. You have some documentation and your USB-C charging cable in here. And we're going to peel. Nice. So this is the lavender version. I was torn between lavender and cream, which we all know is banana. But yeah, let's get the first boot. Oh, it shows up on both sides. That's cool. And then you guys get it over here and try to keep it in focus. I already got fingerprints all over it, but that's okay. It was inevitable. It was going to happen at some point. Welcome. I don't know what the hell just happened. My LG Wing just like freaked out and got 7 notifications at once. All right, terms and conditions, privacy policy. Yep, I agree to everything. Sell my soul, take it, I don't need it. Keyboard on this is much more comfortable to type on than the sliver of the Galaxy Z Fold 3. But then again, this is more of a traditional smartphone form factor. The fingerprint scanner is on the side in the power button, same deal as the Fold 3 over here. Similar to what we got yesterday with the Fold. The Flip, we get some warnings about how to not destroy this phone. This phone isn't dust resistant. Phone is water resistant. IPX8. All set up. Ooh, yes, the display is 120 Hertz, nice and smooth. All right, here we go. Here's that's actually pretty compact. Like, I mean, I've got big hands, but let's grab an iPhone 12 Pro just to compare it to. It's about the same width, a little bit more than half as tall. And when you open her up, that's actually not bad. That's not bad. I can see a lot of people getting behind this, especially with the $1,000 price point. I mean, it's still $1,000, but that positions this right up next to, I believe, the S21 Plus. So like, this is in like regular smartphone territory now as far as pricing goes. The display on the outside little widget indicator thing here is only 60 hertz, but I don't think anyone's gonna be like gaming or consuming media on this to warrant 120 hertz. Once you get on the inside, this is nice. Like I can see a lot of people using this. So the crease is there. Yeah, there you go. If we catch my studio lights, it is very, very noticeable. But if I show it to you maybe head on, just like that, straight on, it's not really noticeable. So that's just a quick overview of what my unboxing experience was like. I'm gonna leave my link to my fold unboxing up here. I did that yesterday. Go check it out. So far, I'm loving it, but I'm gonna come back in 2 weeks, give my full review on it. I'm already liking it. It's gonna be hard for me to send this thing back. I might just have to keep it. My wallet's not gonna like that, but I don't care. Alrighty, new battery in the camera, so that's my cue to end the video. Check back in 2 weeks, not only for my review of the Fold 3, but for the Flip 3. I'm really interested to use these side by side and see what they're both like, see what their advantages and disadvantages are. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe. Tell me what your favorite feature of the Flip 3 is, and I will see you guys in the next video. See you then.